Hello everyone, I'm LIU WENJUAN. My metric number is 241017777. My thesis topic is research on the influence mechanism of innovative organizational culture on the talent retention intention of technology service enterprises. I hope to present valuable research content to all of you. Now I will start to introduce. This speech will be conducted from the following five aspects. Chapter 1 is Introduction. Let's first look at the research background and significance. Chinese technology service enterprises play a significant role in the knowledge and digital economy transformation, but they face challenges such as industry competition and talent mobility, and the problem of talent retention is prominent. This research explores the talent retention mechanism from the perspective of organizational culture innovation, which can not only help enterprises build core competitiveness but also fill the gap in the economic research. Just now, we have understood the research background and significance, and are fully aware of the urgency of talent retention problem in technology service enterprises. Therefore, we have proposed research goals of questions focusing on whether there is a positive impact of innovative organizational culture in multiple aspects on the retention intention of talents in order to solve the talent retention problem of technology service enterprises. After clarifying these issues, we will subsequently explore the theoretical basic to answer them. Chapter 2 is Literature Review. This research encompasses three major theories. Organizational culture theory posits that when managers understand and implement the organizational culture, it can enhance employee engagement and productivity, improve satisfaction and loyalty, and reduce the turnover rate. The person-organization fit theory emphasizes that when employees' values and goals are aligned with those of organization. It can strengthen their sense of belonging and intention to stay, and stimulate innovative behaviors. The perceived organizational support theory further indicates that employees form an overall perception of whether the organization values their contributions and well-being based on long-term social exchange relationships. A high level of perceived organizational support can enhance employees' emotion, attachment, and effectively reduce their intention to leave. Based on the above theories and the review and research of previous literature, the following four independent variables were proposed: growth and innovation support, openness and collaboration, feature tolerance, maturity, and innovative-oriented leadership. A model including growth and innovation support, openness and collaboration, feature tolerance, maturity, and innovative-oriented leadership and talent retention intention was constructed, and four hypotheses were proposed. This means that if enterprises exert efforts in these aspects, they are expected to significantly enhance the retention intention of talents, providing strong support for enterprises development. Chapter 3 is methodology. This study adopts a positivist research paradigm, which is suitable for quantitative research and hypothesis testing. Data were collected through questionnaire surveys and analyzed using statistical methods. This approach allows us to objectively examine the factors influencing talent retention in technology service enterprises. This study adopts an empirical quantitative research designed based on organizational culture theory and person-organization fit theory. Data were collected through structured questionnaire surveys and systematically analyzed using statistical methods. This design ensures the reliability and validity of the results and allows for effective testing of the proposed hypothesis. The target group of this research is ordinary employees, graduates and middle-level managers of Chinese technology service enterprises, with a total of 222 respondents. A 5-point Likert questionnaire was used, along with screening and selection questions. Data analysis was conducted using SPSS 27 variant and regional method previous through support for this research. Chapter 4 is Findings and Results. This slide presents the simple characteristics and reliability results. A total of 222 valid responses were collected, mainly from IT engineering and R&D service enterprises. Then, reliability tests were conducted on the collected data. The Cronbach's alpha coefficient was used to measure it. When the coefficient is greater than 0.8, it indicates that the research has good interval consistency, which is an important indicator to ensure the credibility of the results research. At the same time, validity analyses were also conducted on the questionnaire. The KMO statistic was over 0.7, which can be used for factor analysis, indicating that the questionnaire data of this study is suitable for in-depth research. Subsequently, correlation analyses were used to explore the significance and direction of the linear leadership between variables. The common correlation coefficient R was used to measure the strength of the leader relationship. A coefficient less than 0 indicates a negative correlation, equal to 0 indicates no correlation, and greater than 0 indicates a positive correlation. After analysis, the four factors of growth and innovation support, openness and collaboration, failure tolerance, maturity, innovation-oriented leadership were significantly positively correlated with the retention intention of talents, indicating that they are very important for talent retention. At the same time, the regression analysis results shows that each factor has a significant positive impact on the retention intention of talents. The coefficient of innovative leadership is the highest, reaching 0.274 and has the strongest influence. Growth and innovation support is 0.210. Openness and collaboration is 0.168. Tolerance of feature minority is 0.136. Enterprises should attach importance to these factors to retain talents. Chapter 5 is Discussion, Conclusion, and Recommendations. This study demonstrates that innovative organizational culture is a critical mechanism shaping talent retention intention in technology service enterprises. By simultaneously addressing employees' career development expectations, physical safety needs, and value achievements, innovation-oriented cultural elements create a stable motivation foundation for long-term retention. Compared with prior studies focusing on traditional industries, these findings highlight the context-specific importance of innovation culture in knowledge investment firms. thereby extending the applicability of talent retention theory to innovation-driven organizational settings. When facing talent competition, enterprises should strengthen support for employees' growth and innovation, create an open and collaborative atmosphere, increase feature tolerance, maturity, and exert the leadership's role in innovation. These actions not only enhance employees' sense of belonging and satisfaction, reduce the risk of turnover, but also provide the continuous impetus for long-term development of enterprise. This study explored the factors influencing the retention intention of talents in Chinese technology service enterprises from four perspectives. The results of the study enable users to gain a deeper understanding of the influencing factor of talent retention intention in Chinese technology service enterprises, and to a certain extent provide certain insights for enterprise managers and scholars. Thanks for listening.